Hi everyone, I'm back with another tutorial of Tech Assist. In this guide video, I'm going to show you how to delete your VK account on your device. Now before we get started, make sure to check your internet connection and also make sure to watch the video till the end. Now in order to delete your VK account, you'll not be able to delete it from the application, so you must log in from the web browser. So you can use any web browser that is convenient to you. Now as for this video, I'm using Google. Now first of all, open up your web browser and on the search box type in vk.com. Now on the other page you'll have a lot of options, so make sure to tap on m.vk.com. Now in case if you are confused with the link, I will leave it on the description box as well. Next, on the other page you will land inside sign in page, so you tap on sign in. So in order to sign in into your VK account, you can either enter your email address or the phone number that is associated with your VK account. In case if you are using your phone number, so don't forget to enter your country's code. And once you're done entering your phone number, tap on continue. So next, on the other page you'll have to enter the password that you have used while creating your VK account. Now once again tap on continue after you finish entering your password. So as you can see that I'm logged in and the interface kind of look like this. Now right at the bottom in the lower right corner you can see try bar icon, so simply tap on it. So on the other side you will land inside menu page, and right on top in the upper right corner there is a gear icon, tap on it. So as you tap on the gear icon, on the other page you will land inside the settings, and under it you can see a lot of options. So from here tap on account, which is right on top. So once again you have a lot of options as soon as you tap on account, and right at the bottom there is you can delete your account here. So what you have to do is tap on here. So before you delete your account, you must give a reason for deleting your account. There are multiple options, so you can select any one of these following options. And right at the bottom in the lower left corner you can see delete profile, tap on it. So as you can see, my deletion request has been submitted and that I'm logged out of my device. VK account actually takes a long period of time in order to delete your account. Now it might take a bit longer period of time as compared to the other application. Now all you have to do is wait patiently for them to reply and look into your matter. That is how you can delete your VK account on your device. Now that is all for this video. In case if the video was helpful, then make sure to like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.